Assalamualaikum students. Hope so you all are fine. Okay. It is our week 1. Today's our topic is more on number system. Open your books. Chapter number 1, more on number system. We learn number systems in book 2. It means that you can also learn book 2 for class 7. We know that different number systems we are used to represent same meanings, numbers or letters in different ways. In this unit, more on number system, we can learn the number system, binary number system, octal number system, hexa number system. Basically, these are the number systems types. One is binary, second is octal, third is hexa, and fourth is decimal number system. In this unit, we also learn how to convert binary number into decimal number system. And in this unit, we also learn how to add, subtract binary number system. And we also learn how to multiply and divide numbers by using the number system. And we also learn how to convert decimal number system into octal and hexa into decimal number system. In this unit, first of all, we understand the topic of multiplication of binary numbers. What does mean by multiplications of binary numbers? Multiplying binary is quite simple. It is similar to multiplying two numbers in the decimal number system. We only need to multiply ones and zero. First of all, I will tell you the base of number system. The base of first decimal number system is binary. Binary base number is 2. Octal is 8. Hexa is 16. And decimal is 10. So in this unit we know about the number system. One is binary, the base of 2. Second is octal, the base of 8. Third is hexa, the base of 16. Fourth is decimal, the base of 10. We also learn the multiplyings of binary numbers. When you learn about the multiplications of binary number, you must know the rules of multiplication of binary numbers. When you learn the multiplications of binary numbers, you know well about the rules of multiplications. When you learn this rule, you can solve your questions easily. Okay. In this unit, you also know computer only understands ones and zeros language. So when we understand the multiplications of binary numbers, you can solve this. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. And 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 with carry over the next higher column. In this unit, you can see multiply two numbers by using these rules. Next topic is your division of binary number. How can you divide your numbers? How can you similar to divide numbers in the decimal number system? As you all know, what is the base of decimal number system? The decimal number system is base 10. The difference here is that we need to remember the rules of binary subtractions. Okay. In this unit, you can learn about the binary subtractions. Binary subtraction is a very important rule for solve the binary subtractions. Okay, first of all, we can understand binary subtractions. First, you can know 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. In this rule of binary multiplications, binary subtraction, you can know about the 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. And 0 minus 1 is equal to 1 with borrow from the next position. Next is 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. When you know about the rules of binary subtraction, when you know about the rules of binary subtraction, you can solve the addition and subtraction method, how to add and subtract numbers, how to subtract the numbers by using this rule. So it is very important rule to learn to how to add and subtract, how to multiply your binary numbers, how to subtract of the binary number system. Okay. In this unit, third we topic understand of conversion of decimal number system into octal numbers. Okay. In this 2, we know we use the repeated division method to convert decimal number system into the binary equivalent. It means that when you repeat the division method to convert decimal number into their binary equivalents, we use the same methods to convert decimal number system into the equivalent of the octal number system. When converting decimal number system into binary number system, we divide the decimal number system by 2, because you know where the base of binary number system is 2. The base of decimal octal number is 8. The base of hexa number system is 16. The base of decimal number system is 10. Okay. When you convert of binary into decimal number system, when you convert binary into decimal number system, binary into octal number system, you can use the repeated division method. When you can use the binary into octal number, we use the repeated division method. Keep in mind, when you convert binary number into octal number, you can use the repeated division method. Is that clear? Okay. Suppose I will give you the example about the binary into octal number system. Okay? Here we divide the number by age. We divide quotients. We get the quotients less than age. We then record the reminders of bottom and top to the get answers. Okay. All examples shown in your book, you can solve your example by using the binary into octal number system. Okay. When you convert decimal number into hexa number system, you can use the repeated division method. We also convert decimal number system using the repeated division methods. Also convert decimal number into hexa values using the repeated division method. The difference is that we need the number of 16 instead of 8, because when you convert decimal into hexa value, first of all you know about the base of decimal number system, second is the base of hexa number system. The base of decimal number system is 10 and the base of hexadecimal number system is 16. Okay, you can use the repeated division method by using the conversion of decimal number into hexadecimal values. We also need to remember that is hexa system values 10 to 15 are represented by the letters A, B, C, D and F respectively. So 10 is represented by A is equal to 13, by D and so on. You can see these things on your book. Okay, next your topic is conversion of octal number into the decimal number system. How can you convert octal number into the decimal system? If you want to know the octal number into the decimal, first of all you will know about the base of octal number system and the decimal number system. The base of octal number system is 8 and the decimal number system is 10. Okay. As you all know, if you have an example of 74, this is the octal number and you can convert into the decimal number system. You all know how can you convert decimal number, octal number into the decimal number system. We use the expansion method. So we can understand when you convert octal number into the decimal number system, when you convert octal number into the decimal number system, you can use the expansion method. Okay. In this topic, conversion of octal number into the decimal number system, you will know about the octal number system and the decimal number system. First of all, you will know about the octal number system base, and second is decimal number system. Octal number system base is 8 and the decimal number system base is 10. Okay. If you have a direct, when you convert octal number into the decimal number system, you can use the expansion method. How can we use the expansion method in our questions? Okay. Suppose if you have an example of 74. Okay. This is the octal number system, and you can convert this number into the decimal number system. So first of all, you will know about the base of the decimal number system. How can you convert? How can you use the expansion method by using the conversion of octal number system into the decimal number system? First of all, you can convert this number into the base of octal number system. 7 multiplied by 8 plus 4 multiplied by 8. And you can notify the numbers. Okay. You all of know 80 is equal to 1. ठीक है? 7 8 को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई हमने किया है, तो 8 1s are 8, and you all of know 80 is equal to 1. ठीक है? 7 8s are 56 plus 4 1s are 4. 56 plus 4 is equal to 60. So this is the answer of the decimal number system. This is the expansion method. How can we convert octal number into the decimal numbers? We can use the expansion method. Okay, next we discuss about the topic of conversion of hexa values into the decimal number system. Hexa, what is the meaning of hexa values? Hexa value is the base of 16 and the decimal base is 10. When you convert this number into the, it means that hexa values convert into the decimal number system. Hexa base is 16 and you can convert this number into 10. Suppose आपके पास कोई सी भी एग्जांपल है 16 है, तो जब भी आपने किसी भी हेक्सा नंबर को कन्वर्ट करना है डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम में, we can convert values in the decimal number system with the help of expansion method. You know well about the expansion method when you convert octal number into the decimal number system. In this unit, you can also learn hexadecimal values into the decimal number system. In this unit, hexa is 16 and decimal is 10. You convert hexa values into decimal number system with the help of expansion method. Reference is here, we use the base 16 instead of base 8. Okay. My dear students, your homework is read plus understand of chapter number 1, more on number system, plus solve questions by using different number system. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Have a good day.